Love yo mama? Then make sure to like our videos. Yo mama! Yo mama's so strong! Her sneeze caused a seismic earthquake!
Oh no! No, not again! Merci, no. I just bought this baguette. This is all Trump's fault. Wrong, it's actually Obama's fault.
This happens every week! Your mom is so strong! Her breast milk is whey protein! Is that legal for a baby to have? Your mom is so stupid! She uses Old Spice body wash to cook! Smells like power! Power! Yo mom is so strong! She got arrested for shoplifting! Hey! You can't be doing that! Get in the car! Oh, you're so strong! Yo mom is so stupid! She thought KFC was UFC for chickens!
Check his eyes out! Use that beak, you bastard!
Yo mom is so strong! She hits home runs. When she bats, her eyelashes! I'm going home. Yo mom is so stupid! She thought chicken strips was a strip club for chickens.
Oh, I come here all the time. Take it off, you chicken slut.
You. Your mom is so strong. She blows bubbles with Jolly Ranchers. Whatever. Even I could do that. Ah! My perfect teeth! Yo mom is so frickin' ugly! The Terminator said, "Ew, I won't be back. Hasta la vista, ugly." Yo mom is so strong! She out-Rex Wreck-It Ralph!
What? No one outwrecks me! Oh, it's gotta be a glitch in the system. I'm gonna go get a drink.
Yo mama's so ugly. Wreck-It Ralph thought he wrecked her face.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. Was that me? Did I do that? You know, I don't remember doing that. I drink a lot, and Here, take some coins.
Yo mama's so strong. When she plays Minecraft, she breaks bedrock with her fist. I may not be Fred Flintstone, but I could still make your bed rock. Good one, Brody. Ah! Yo mama's so stupid. When I asked her to play Minecraft, she started making frickin' mines. Why does this keep happening to me? These mamas are gonna be the death of me. Yo mama's so strong. Her blood type is cement. Oh, we ran out of cement. What are we gonna do about this foundation? Oh, okay. Kinda gross, but I guess that works. Yo mama's so fat. When Nappa asked how much she weighed, Vegeta said, "It's over 9,000! What? Yo mama's so strong! She could defeat Ultimate Shaggy with 1% of her power! Like this is my ultimate final form! Like what? Yo mama's so fat! Not even the Hulk could smash her! Hulk smash! You know smash! 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 Yo mama's so strong. She defeated the Hulk with her thumbs. You think you strong, but you no strong like Hulk? Yo mama's so ugly. When she plays Fortnite, she scares off the storm. Oh wow, thank you, lady. Oh, good luck. Yo mama's so strong. When she plays Fortnite, She doesn't need weapons to win a victory royale. Oh my God, look at those guns. They're huge. Run!
None of this is original.